So while I was working on the floors inside the trailer, my wife came up with the idea that she wanted to take our regular wood jack stand and turn it into a
Rubik's Cube. Isn't that fun?
A Rubik's Cube. So we're gonna let her use the miter saw the first time and make it herself.
No problem. Do you have like you know, in medieval times they have those metal gloves, like chainmail?
You mean that chefs have for cutting vegetables so they don't cut their hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, medieval times.
No, but I think they might have had that. Like, did knights wear stuff like that? Or maybe they're just old gauntlets.
They did. They had gloves where you wouldn't get cut. But they also have that in restaurants so you don't cut yourself while you're cutting vegetables. No, why do you need that?
No, let's do it. This would have been a lot easier if we just had a single piece of 8 by 2 by 8. Is that what they call it?
8 by 2 by 8?
Isn't this like supposed to be 8 inches?
You mean if it was actually 8 inches?
No, I'm saying if we had a full piece of wood, I could just cut instead of having to start with this.
Well, yeah, but we're starting with what we have.
Right, but they'll be getting a brand new piece.
Yeah, if they
don't we need to tell them what they need?
So if you're going to do this project, you're going to want to buy a brand new 2 by 8 by 8.
5 pieces measures. Yeah, 7 5/8 tall, but it's 7 1/4 wide. So it's not perfect. No one's gonna be able to tell when it's under your jack.
Not a perfect square.
Not a perfect square. I'm gonna measure each piece at 7 5/8 because I want my perfect squares on the long side.
So how many lines? You only have to draw one line. The saw is gonna do the work for you.
Oh, right. I'm used to cutting fabric, okay? So just one line here?
Just one line, so you know where to point the laser.
Sewing machines don't have lasers. Neither do scissors for sewing machines. 7 5/8.
You can't just take it and rip a straight line like you can with that.
Let me make sure that's 7 5/8. That's 7 5/8. Measure twice, cut once, right?
You're right, drum roll.
Hey, I've heard several times. Measure twice, cut once. We've done plenty of measuring once and cutting twice, and that always sucks. I mean, do we have goggles that go over glasses? I should. Let's get some goggles over glasses. Do we have those?
Yeah.
I'm ready to go swimming.
Are you? Yeah, yeah.
How do you turn it on?
It is. This is your on switch.
We have scrap wood around here. Give me a scrap piece of wood so that I can do this.
You did a great job cutting.
Look, you guys. It's an almost cube. Let's do it. Technically, you know, we don't have to paint the bottom. So we can take the orange back, I guess. Now we just gotta paint it. Great color right there. I highly recommend this color. Okay, can I pay you? good.
See how good that looks? Looks just like a Rubik's Cube.
Okay. That's not near as straight as I want it to be. Is this paint erasable? So this is it. All you need is one 2x8 by 8 and spray paint, leftover spray paint, hopefully from your shop, of all the Rubik's Cube colors, and then black paint and a paintbrush. Really simple. Obviously you've seen our pineapple propane, and I'm always coming up with odd ideas like this, but now I'm kind of wondering what else could we make a jack stand shape into. If you have any ideas, comment below and I might make it. Or if you make it, let me know. Okay. Woohoo! It works! I'm pretty proud of this little DIY project. I wish all things could be this simple. You know, like floor replacement or water heater replacement. More fun ideas? Subscribe to our channel.